and then extrude this. So we have this kind of ring mesh here, and from the side view I can work more to just refine that. Okay, so I'm just trying to have some good loops like this. Okay, this need to be a bit more inside for now, but we will see later on what's going on once we are ready to add loops. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is that we have to do the quick this mouth thing. So for that I would add the knife tool, and I will just try to have this kind of loop here. Okay, and to fix this topology I have to subdivide this and connect it to this one. Okay, and then I have to just pull up this one and make it something like this. I can control B to just bevel this thing to have a better topology here, so I can add a loop also if I want. And this one here, here. So we have some more space for it. And then I will select these and keep it up to the top, and these till the ground, and I can make it straight even with S, Z and 0 to just make it straight and grab it a bit to the upside. And now let's select these three and E to extrude, and then I have to keep this down. Okay, for here I would need some adjustment like this, and the rest will get fine. Just select these and bring it back, and this might need to be to the front. Delete the top and scale this one. So that's a pretty basic way to create this kind of shape. Now we can add subdivision to this one. Right click, make it shade smooth. I would select these and add some creases by coming up here to the items and increase the one. Okay, now select this one and F to fill, and pick up a knife and just try to have this thing. I would push this one toward the front, and after subdivision it will look smooth. Okay, I can add a loop here and have the mean crease. This will make it sharp. Now I can just select this one and double G to just slide this one. So this will help me to have some more mesh here like this, and I can add one more here, so this will now be a bit more sharp. But this is completely up to me. If I don't need this kind of sharp, I can just have it or just undo that. Okay, the next step would be to add the wings, and then we will do some final adjustment. So for the wings, needed the hands to be like this. So this is like in something like this. So I think this was it for the part 1, and in the next part we will be actually finishing the model and then adding some materials and rendering that. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.